Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into an engaging tutorial on how to integrate teamwork.com with Microsoft Teams. This is your 2025 guide, so let's get started. First things first, open up your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do so. Why? Because we'll need Microsoft Teams to be ready and waiting for the integration process. Now that we've done that, it's time to head over to teamwork.com. Once you're there, log into your account and navigate to your dashboard. The reason we do this is to be able to access the integrated apps section where the magic of connection happens. Next up, find the Apps and Integrations tab in your dashboard. Click on it and search for Microsoft Teams. You'll see it pop up amongst the listed applications. This is crucial because it's the bridge between teamwork.com and Microsoft Teams, the pathway that links the two platforms. Once you've found Microsoft Teams, click on Integrate. This will prompt you to input your Microsoft Teams account details. Ensure you use the correct ones. This helps us because it verifies your Teams account and starts the syncing process. After inputting the details, click on Connect. You'll see a successful connection message. This is the final step of the integration process. Now, your teamwork.com and Microsoft Teams accounts are synchronized and ready for seamless collaboration. Let me explain why this matters. With this integration, you can now manage your projects, communicate with your teams, and share files all in one place. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to integrate teamwork.com with Microsoft Teams. You're now ready to maximize your productivity and take your teamwork to the next level. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep making the most of your tech tools.